This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs. To begin, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for extra richness and fluffiness. Season with a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds until fully combined and slightly frothy. Now, let's get the pan ready. Place your non-stick pan on the stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. This lower temperature is key for perfectly cooked, creamy scrambled eggs, preventing them from becoming rubbery. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. Allow the butter to melt fully and gently swirl it around to coat the bottom surface. Once the butter is melted, pour your whisked egg mixture directly into the pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center. Continue this folding and stirring motion until the eggs are mostly set but still appear slightly moist. The final step is crucial for achieving creamy, delicious scrambled eggs. Remove the pan from the heat just as the eggs are about 90% cooked, while they still look a little wet. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them to a perfect, soft consistency. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately on warm toast or with your favorite breakfast sides. Enjoy your simple, yet incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.